Welcome to the DeepSync AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create an AI avatar video in DeepSync AI. Go to the left menu and click on Avatar Videos. Here, you can generate your own AI avatar videos. Just add your video details, like video title, video length, and video script. You can generate AI script by using our AI content generator. It will create your AI script according to your requirements. You can regenerate or copy the result and use it in your video. Click on Next T, and here you can upload avatars from your local or choose avatars form list. Click on Next, and here you can add media to your video. You can add background music to your video. You can control the speed and volume of your voice. Choose language of voice and creator from list.
Hi. My name is I will read any text you type here.
Click on Next, and here you can add background to your video. You can choose a background color or a video background. You can upload it from your local or choose it from stock videos. By clicking on Preview and Submit, you can preview and final edit your video before exporting it.
In 2025, earning easy money through digital marketing.
Click on Export and your AI avatar video is ready. You can view your video.
2025, earning easy money through digital marketing is more accessible than ever, thanks to advancements in technology and AI-driven tools. By mastering social media platforms and utilizing automation.
Share it on social networks. Edit or update your video. Thanks for watching the video.